that Krishna's telling, you'll become priya to me by doing sadhana bhakti. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyam te pratijane priyosime. Priyosime, the same phrase is there in Bhagavad Gita, priyosime. So from that, priyosime is about this 4-point program of Krishna consciousness. Think of Krishna, offer your obeisances, become his devotee, worship him. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Yaji means worship. Namaskuru means obeisances. From that, in the same Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is called Priyosime. So Krishna is telling, go home and hear about me, chant about me, worship my deity. You'll become Priya, you'll become dear to me like Arjuna, you'll become dear. And they'll say, my name is Priyaji. Your name is Priyatam. Just yesterday we were walking along the banks of the Yamuna, you're holding my hand saying, oh Priyaji, you're my everything. I love you more than any other gopi. Really, really it's true. Although sometimes I go here and there, I don't know what happens to me. They hypnotize me, they give me some jadoo, put something in my food. I don't know what happens. They mislead me, they hypnotize me. I'm a simple boy, and these ladies, some are very clever, you know. Shaibya Padma, they capture me and they hypnotize me and they take me into some kunja. And I don't know what happens to me. I lose my mind, I forget everything, how to get to your kunja. And